Welcome, Dublin Cookery School. This is Matheus.
Hi guys.
I'm Jerry. We're going to be doing a series of some of our favorite dishes that we do in the school, and we're going to try and bring them to you guys at home. This is one of our favorite sauces. It's a chimichurri.
Yeah.
Matheus is our expert on fire. So 7 years cooking on fire in Brazil.
Yeah.
He's been teaching us. We want to showcase it. So this is the dish. What are we going to be doing?
So we have like a very nice chimichurri. It's like smoked chimichurri. We try give like nice smoked flavor in the butter. So we have some coriander, parsley, oregano, garlic. I have some onions. I leave on top the barbecue on the embers for like 1 hour.
So in the skins.
And the skin
on the coals.
On the coals, yeah, for 1 hour.
Okay.
So I have like so crisp skin there.
Super soft.
Yeah, super soft, but inside is so juicy, the onions.
Nice.
And just help make the chimichurri be very, very smoky.
Okay.
So yeah, I think we can start.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So our first step, I have here some butter. I just need to melt the butter first. And
So
then
we have some of that lovely charcoal. We're using a Quebracho charcoal.
I made the charcoal barbecue.
Fabulous, lovely flavor, yeah. South American hardwood coal.
Yeah. And I have some garlic. So the idea is we add the garlic in the butter because you like confit the garlic.
Okay, so cook in the butter.
Yeah.
Low heat, gets nice and soft.
Yeah. And at the same time, you need to smoke the butter. So the best way for you to smoke the butter, you can just take one piece of charcoal and just go quickly in the butter and just take out. Make the same like 3-4 times and give loads of smoke flavor here in the butter. So go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now just leave there for like a few seconds. In the meantime, you can start to slice chop our herbs.
Like the smell of that already is amazing.
Yeah, they have like very nice smoke flavors from the butter. And yeah, just go, maybe I go one more just in case because I love smoke flavors going the chimichurri. Yeah, and I just move this for the back here, 1 second. And now we can start to slice our herbs. So I have here some coriander, just slice, don't be like so thin, just go a little bit, you'll be okay. Yeah, that's okay. And we are going to use one container.
So all into the kilner jar.
Yeah, just go in the jar.
This can last a while though, can't it?
Yeah.
You make kind of gets better and better.
Yeah, so the idea for the chimichurri is you leave there for like 1 year, 2 years, because how more time you keep there, better is going to be the flavor.
Okay, with time gives the flavor.
Yeah, that's the reason because the smoke flavor is going better and better and better year after year.
Okay, develops.
Yeah, exactly. So I have some parsley there, some coriander. The same way, just slice the coriander.
So nice and thick, not too fancy.
Not too fancy, no.
No waste.
No, no waste.
And cutting fresh herbs once. That's the way to do it. One cut. You don't want to see this hammering of herbs that just bruises them and makes them bitter. So soft herbs, cut once.
Exactly. And I have very nice oregano from Colin's Garden.
Straight from Ashford.
Yeah,
County Wicklow this morning. Look at that. Beautiful.
Amazing one, actually. And the same way, just go for the oregano in the jar. We don't need to slice the oregano. Chop, actually.
So a jar full of green.
Yeah. And now I have here my onions. I lay on the charcoal for like 1 hour, 2 hours. Just break the skin and remove the onions. So we have like very soft onions.
Yeah, fantastic.
The flavor is amazing because the onions absorb all the flavor from the charcoal and make the flavor be so nice. And the best part of the chimichurri is it can use for barbecue, for chicken, for pork, for pizza, for bread.
Put on anything.
You can put anything, yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah, so just remove the skin from the onions. It's a little bit messy.
I'll get rid of that for you.
Yeah, thank you, Jerry. Now, we're going to slice our onions in 4. Just go in the middle and in the middle again.
Just how soft and beautiful they are.
Yeah.
Like as a veg, we do this sometimes as a veg on our barbecue courses, don't we?
Carrots, aubergines, cucumber, potatoes.
A platter of vegetables cooked on the ambers. Just gorgeous.
I love cook everything in the barbecue, like everything. on the charcoal for like 1-2 days. In Brazil, usually when you make barbecue, you take like all the cow for like 5 days, cook so slowly.
Yeah?
You have some veggies going on, yeah.
Wow.
It's amazing actually.
Whole festival.
Yeah. So now just go with the onions in the jar. It's okay if you take the black part from the skin. That's okay. It actually helping the flavor.
Okay, so little bits of the jar in there.
Yeah, because we are looking for the smoke flavor. So everything here is smoky.
Nice. Look at that butter bubbling away with the garlic and all.
At the same time, you can feel the garlic and the butter is absorbing the flavor from the char.
So good.
So I have my coriander, my parsley, my oregano, my onions. So now I'm going to use some chili. If you like spice, you can just go a little bit chili flake, dry one. If you don't like spice, don't use. Just go a little bit because the idea is keep this guy here for like 1 year. So if you use a lot of chili, it will be so spicy after a few
It's too
times.
hot.
Yeah.
Okay, a little bit goes a long way.
Yeah. And now I have here my onions, my butter, and my garlic. I'll just leave that a little bit more. And the secret for you keep safe, the chimichurri, you need to add some vinegar, like something like
Some acid.
Yeah, exactly.
To cut through the
Yeah,
richness.
yeah, because this help make safe for you use the chimichurri after 1-2 years.
Okay.
So just go a little bit.
That's a nice vinegar form.
Yeah.
Lovely,
That's amazing, actually.
lovely quality product from Spain. Really good.
Yeah, it's like 100 ml more or less. And now you're going to use some neutral oil.
Okay, so that's an Irish rapeseed oil going
Yeah.
in there, yeah?
Just go in here.
Nice.
Now we see how it's going our garlic. Yeah, so now I have here the butter. The butter absorbs all the flavor from the charcoal, from the garlic. So now I just need to remove the garlic.
So that's kind of nice and soft now.
Yeah, nice soft. Yeah. You can leave the garlic here more time to be brown, it's like up to you.
Yeah,
But I prefer remove it early.
So it's nice and sweet.
Yeah, exactly. And now the next step, you just need to sieve our butter because I have some piece of the charcoal here. Just need to remove the charcoal from the butter. Yeah, that's okay.
That's good stuff.
And now we're going to use this butter in the chimichurri. And the smell here is like so smoky, so strong, so intense.
Oh, it's
smell.
beautiful.
It's amazing actually. And you can easily use the same butter for make bread, for make chicken. And I'll just go with the butter in the
Smoked
chimichurri.
butter.
Yeah. And now it's just going to slice our garlic. The same way, just slice. Doesn't matter be big piece, small
and
one.
rustic.
Yeah.
Lovely. All the better.
Yeah.
You're lucky if you get
Yeah.
a big piece.
Yeah, it is so hot.
Make it look easy.
So,
So nice.
yeah, and now we are going to add our garlic in the chimichurri. Oh, some mistakes there. So just add the garlic in the chimichurri.
Lovely.
Yeah. And now our next step, in the last one, we need to go with oil until you have everything in the oil.
To submerge everything, yeah?
And now,
Right up to the top.
Jarry. And I just need to mix for a few seconds because would you like mix the butter in the olive oil. I just keep going for a few seconds. Another way is much easier, actually just shake.
That looks incredible.
Just keep it going here.
That looks really good. I'm gonna
And
have a
now,
little taste of that, can I?
just a little bit flake salt.
Oh, I'll wait for
Because the flake salt help make safe, in the same time give some flavor.
Okay.
The chimichurri
that.
can go
Nice bit
like
there.
like 2 tablespoons,
Okay.
and I'll just mix again. some mistake
So
there.
how long would you leave that?
Oh, actually, I prefer leave for like 1 year before use.
Really?
Yeah. And the secret for you,
How long can you use that straight away?
yeah, you can use now if you want or tomorrow, yeah. But the flavor will be nice, but it's better to keep for more time.
Okay.
Yeah. In Brazil, I have my one, I did it like 5 years ago.
No way, yeah?
Yeah, it stayed in my kitchen in Brazil. It's amazing, actually. I'm so excited to go to Brazil. We see how it's going. Every year when I go to Brazil, I just make a little bit more and use my
do
barbecue
you?
for my
Yeah.
family. Yeah, it's amazing,
Very
actually.
good. Cool.
Yeah, and
Can I
that's
taste?
yeah, of course, okay. That's be the best chimichurri you have in your life. It's going to be the king of the barbecue.
It's just so nice.
Yeah,
So nice.
yeah, and just keep close for 1 year. Oh, 2 years, maybe 5, like up to you.
Taste that, it's absolutely beautiful. So where do we put that for a year?
So the best idea is to keep it on the shelves.
So not in the fridge.
Not in the freezer. Keep it on the shelf for like 1, yeah.
Keep it out and it gets better.
Yeah, because going in the freezer will be like, terrible like in 5 months.
Okay.
Yeah, the
Okay.
bacteria work better in the freezer.
Okay.
For this guy there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So keep it out
Yeah.
on the shelf
On the shelf.
and let it get better and better.
Yeah, 5
Super.
years. You can give this for your mothers, for your sons. for
Like a
your-
present.
Yeah.
Family heirloom.
Yeah, I had one.
Alright.
I had one for my son.
Really?
If I have one day, yeah.
Very good. Well done. There you go.
Thanks.
What to do, folks. Enjoy. See you next time.
Next time, guys.
Next time, Jose Gomez is in the kitchen. Prawn pil pil, garlic aioli, and the Spanish cooking knowledge that doesn't make it onto recipe cards. Subscribe so you catch it when it drops.